coming from, that would be awesome. Okay. Okay, we are ready, Jennifer. So hello, everybody. Thank you for coming to the Zoom tonight. We are on the third day of our cell care series. So tonight we are so honored and so happy and grateful to have Jennifer Lee from Hong Kong. And I'm going to introduce her a little bit. So some of you might not know her, might be some of you already know her since, the COVID time. Jennifer Lee, she is a wellness. Sorry, am I advancing my? She is give me one sec. Sorry, guys. Jennifer Lee is a health and wellness and meridian therapy instructor, as well as physical fitness coach and instructor. She has an associate degree and in Chinese medicine and a diploma in Chinese herbal medicine in the Chinese Hong Kong University. So that is like, this is her credential. And a beautician certificate in Hong Kong University. She has been hosting a lot of more big scale seminar in Asia area, mostly Asia. And then I think me and her has been working together with Philip Chung with the Zoom and some of this when we were in the COVID time. So now I'm going to pass it on to Jennifer.
OK，
And thank you.
OK， 大家好。今日咧，我好開心Margaret 老師邀請我過嚟同大家分享呢個 Well Spa 嘅。咁呢第一張嘅 PowerPoint 咧，我相信好多人都會有好大嘅感受，就係我經常肩頸痛。
So I feel like this is the first slide, and then you can see the image. A lot of people are experiencing neck and shoulder discomfort.
下一張。
Yeah.
係。
Yes, thank you.
OK， 咁呢一張相咧，就係好比我哋嘅身體嘅關節啦。咁我哋點解會肩頸痛咧？就係因為我哋嘅血液循環唔好。我應該可以點樣去改善咧？
So as you can see, this picture is like we are like experiencing why are we experiencing what experiencing? It's because of the area or the reason.
咁好啦，到下一張啊，唔該。咁每一個唔同嘅痛症咧，其實背後都會有一個原因嘅。我建議大家就冇頭痛就醫頭，腳痛就醫腳。咁跟住落嚟嘅時間咧，我就同大家一齊拆解我哋嘅痛症究竟係點樣出嚟啦。
So there is a reason behind all the discomfort or pain point, and sometimes we just treat one area that is happening, not pain. I don't want to use the pain, but discomfort. But so sometimes the feet, sometimes the neck. So we have to find out exactly the source.
原來咧，我哋嘅習慣唔同嘅習慣就會影響我哋嘅痛症出嚟啦。可能你會問：哎呀，我成日都肩頸痛㗎。咁我哋就要揾下點解會肩頸痛咧？
So a lot of reason why we're experiencing some discomfort in neck and shoulder in particular, maybe sometimes it's a habit. What are we doing mostly and how are we doing it? Maybe that's the source.
好，下一張唔該。嘻嘻，呢一張相咧，我相信在座每一位咧，每一日都會拎起我哋嘅手機去用。咁至於每一日你會用幾多時間咧，同埋用乜嘢角度去睇你嘅手機咧？嗱，呢樣嘢大家一定要知道嘅喎。
So when you look at this picture, it's like very obvious. We are like it's a phone generation. Everyone is holding their phone. and how you holding the phone, in what degree you're holding it, and how long. It play into a lot of factors why you're having your discomfort.
咁呢個就係最影響我哋肩頸痛嘅習慣之一啦。
So this is, of course, one of the reason why sometimes we're experiencing neck and shoulder discomfort.
好，下一張唔該。咁當然啦，我哋係每一日都可以做一啲伸展運動啊，去舒緩一下嘅，但係時間就比較耐啲啦。
So of course, we always suggest you guys, people to stretch, do some stretching, different stretches, but it takes a little while.
好，下一張唔該。跟住另外一個比較多人會發問嘅問題就係，究竟我瞓覺瞓得好唔好咧？因為如果有啲朋友同我講，我已經瞓咗10個鐘頭噶啦，但係我起身嘅時候仍然都係肩頸痛，我可以點樣處理咧？
So of course, another question I will have with, how good are you sleeping? Are you sleeping good? But some people told me, even though they have like over 10 hours of sleep, and they still feel not good.
好，下一張唔該。跟住落嚟咧，我就會好認真同大家分享，究竟我哋用幾多時間去照顧好自己嘅身體啦。
So in the following time, I'm going to share how you should take care of yourself and how long you should be taking care of yourself, in what time frame, like how long they take.
好，下一張唔該。最近咧，我身邊有好多朋友咧，就同我講，我有呢個50肩啊，咁呢一張圖咧，我建議大家影低佢嘅。點解咧？唔係叫大家去做呢啲動作去解決你嘅50肩，而係用呢啲動作嚟揾出你邊條筋比較緊。
So this slide, I want you guys to maybe just take a screenshot. It's not that I want you to do exercise with this, but I want you to focus, and if somebody have a frozen shoulder, maybe which tendon or which stretches making you feel like that more pain.
例如第一張圖，瞓喺個地下嗰度，伸起隻手，舉起隻手，因為呢一個位咧，你會揾到我哋應該用我哋嘅 SPA 機做邊一條筋，因為好多人諗住50肩多數都係做呢啲位㗎啦，其實唔一定嘅，因為50肩咧係反映翻過往你究竟有啲乜嘢壞嘅習慣嘅動作，而影響到你嘅膊頭會好痛。
So this first picture, I want you guys to pay attention. This man is lying down on the floor, and just by raising up your hand and to see which tendon or what is the position that making you feel that discomfort. Some people think that, if you have a frozen shoulder, you just do the same thing, like that treatment the same, but it's not always the same area, so to speak.
因為我建議大家唔係我去痛嘅時候，我就做喺嗰一個位，因為呢度有1、2、3、4個唔同嘅動作。如果呢4個動作你發覺，咦，有3個動作或者2個嘅動作都係同一個位置痛喎，咁你就做嗰一個位。
So you can see it's not always the same spot or the particular spot that is trigger that frozen shoulder pain. You can see this is all 4 different like stretches. You can see and feel which area is particularly, and it's not just like when you feel that pain point and you just do that spot. Sometimes it's like a radiating from different area to the source.
好，下一張唔該。
So I'm just going to stop there in the 3 and 4 so people can take a picture. So I think it was chopped off. If you guys taking a screenshot, I hope you can take the number 3 and number 4 stretches. Now I'm gonna slide down. Oops.
啊，或者可唔可以放大少少嘅咧？
I can't. I can't.
哦
This is a PDF. If I
，OK
move anything,
OK，
I'm afraid I'm gonna lose everything.
唔好意
Sorry
思
about
啊，
that. It's not a
麻煩到
PowerPoint. It's
你。
just I'm advancing.
OK，
Yeah,
好
sorry. Yeah.
嗱，今日咧，我想同大家分享我自己一定會 number one 推介用我哋嘅 Well Spa 處理我哋嘅身體嘅肌肉嘅痛嘅問題嘅。
So for me, my number one choice to treat my discomfort point or pain point will be Well Spa.
下一張唔該。因為今日咧會有一啲比較新嘅朋友，所以我都會俾少少我哋嘅 Well Spa 嘅非常之驕人嘅成績俾大家睇下嘅嚇。咁
So
啊，
because
我
some of the people may be the first time in the Zoom and we're just introducing our number one platform devices, so I want to make sure that you guys know that our our beauty devices is so good.
OK 下一張唔該。OK 好嗱，跟住呢一個，我想同大家分享嘅就係，因為有啲朋友同我講，唉，我隻手已經好痛啦，我個膊頭已經好痛啦，咁但係我可以點樣用呢部儀器去幫我去解決問題咧？咁首先咧，我哋部 Well Spa 咧只係120克嘅啫，非常之輕嘅。但係有啲朋友曾經同我講過，Jennifer，我咧用部機做完我嘅手臂5分鐘之後咧，我手已經好攰啦。所以今日我就會有一啲小技巧同大家分享點樣去拎住我部 Well Spa，而又可以好輕鬆地解決我哋嘅肌肉痛嘅問題啦。
So when I talk about this Well Spa, even though it's only 120 gram, but some people told me after holding it for 5 minutes doing the treatment area, they still feel like it's too much. So today I wanted to share with you some tips how you holding the Well Spa.
嗯，好，咁跟住到下一張好似係英文係咪啊
呢個係英文啊，我擺咗英
？OK，
文。
好，
It's
得，
a Well Spa. This
好，
one.
下一張。
You want that one?
唔需要啦，唔需要啦。嚇，我想快啲講完個 PowerPoint 之後就做示範。
You want this one or you want the advanced one?
唔使
This
啦，
is the English
係
version.
OK 啦。下一張呢一張咧，呢一張 PowerPoint 咧，其實我係好想同大家分享嘅就係、可能今日大家只係會覺得，我淨係學咗點樣用個Well Spa 咁就 OK 啦。但係大家有冇諗過，原來我哋解決咗我哋嘅生活習慣一啲唔好嘅動作之後，令到我哋嘅痛症少咗，令到我哋嘅生活質素高咗咧？
So if we wanted to say like if you want to do something, change your habit and how you keep it in like a lifestyle, then you can keep more healthier.
OK，下一張唔該。呢一個咧，係啲好有趣嘅分享嚟嘅。我身邊有好多朋友咧，會同我講，我個膊頭好痛啊，但係每日要做10分鐘啊，但係我又好懶㗎喎，我又好忙㗎喎。今日咧呢啲問題，我都會同大家去分享， 就算只係每日5分鐘，只要你做啱嘅位置咧，原來5分鐘你都唔好睇少，都可以幫你解決好多問題嘅喎。
So a lot of people was telling me, you know what, even though I feel pain, but you know what, I don't have time. Oh, I'm so lazy. I'm so busy. So, but tonight, even though 10 minutes, they don't have the time, and even though they are still feeling pain, but no problem. Tonight, I'm going to share with you, even just use it for 5 minutes a day. You will take care of that issue.
OK，下一張唔該。好啦，咁跟住落嚟嘅時間咧，我都希望大家會同我同步去做一個測試嘅，所以你哋大家咧就要準備我哋嘅 activating gel 啦，同埋 serum 嘅。
So I hope you guys are ready. We're gonna do into the demonstration. So everyone gonna take out your well spa. So we need activating gel and the serum.
但係最緊要緊記咧，一啲關於一啲關節嘅位置，大家記住唔可以大力去捽落去嘅。
So some part you have to be paying attention, like the joint fascia. So you have to be gentle. Don't be too much force.
OK，咁呢一張跟住落嚟呢一張 PowerPoint 咧，就係我喺美國嘅 New Skin 呢個網站嗰度攞落嚟嘅。咁佢紅色框住嘅位置咧，就係建議大家唔好用 Well Spa 去做嘅。
So this is actually the guideline from the North American market when they are promoting the well spa. These are the don'ts. So you see all those the red box. So those are the area that the company do not suggest you to use well spa on. So you see the front and then you see the back. So the company say not to use the well spa in those area.
今日咧，我就係負責分享上半身嘅問題嘅嚇，咁所以咧就我會同大家講，如果你頭痛、頸痛或者腰痛嚇，咁我哋應該可以，如果唔做紅色框嘅位置，我哋可以做邊啲位置解決呢啲問題嘅。
So tonight I'm going to share just the upper body part. So let's say if the headache or the shoulder neck, how do we avoid those area and we still can treat that area? So this is what my topic is tonight.
OK，咁我就俾少少資料俾大家啦嚇，因為我哋嘅髖關節啦，同埋頭頸咧係有好多好重要嘅血管，大家必須要留意㗎。
So these are the picture that I wanted you guys to pay attention because these are the area in our body that has the major blood vessels, especially in the groin area and in the head area.
OK，下一張唔該。呢張相咧就係我喺飛機上面臨落機之前，我就攞部 Well Spa 幫自己去做手臂嘅。點解咧？因為我每次出差都係我自己喺嗰個輸送帶嗰度攞個行李落嚟，咁我發覺咧，我嘅手臂唔係咁好力啊，好容易整親啊，所以我就用 Well Spa 令到我嘅肌肉個血液循環好，咁我就會好力啲攞我嘅行李，就唔會整親啦。
So this is actually my own testimony when I travel a lot. So when I have to go and then pick up, I don't know whether you guys also experience when you want to take your luggage off the conveyor belt. Sometimes you need like really strong muscle. So I feel like my muscle is not strong enough. So just before I arrive, I will take about 10 minutes, 5 minutes to do my arms. So I have more strength.
好，下一張唔該。咁就好，而家可以stop 咗個 PDF，我哋就開始示範啦。
So
OK，
now we are ready to start our demonstration.
好
Have your
嗱，
well start.
咁頭先咧，唔知道大家有冇去測試咗我哋 如果我哋嘅肩頸痛，咁陣間我就會起身話俾大家聽，我點樣去揾我哋最唔舒服嗰條筋，做邊啲位置啦。
So I wanted to show you guys. I'm going to pick out, that specific spot about your neck and shoulder, and to do that point.
好，咁咧，我哋呢啲位置嘅肩頸痛咧，其實係沿住於我哋呢啲位個身嗰條筋好緊嘅。咁我用件衫去做一個比喻 ，OK？你諗下，如果
So
我件衫
I will show you, even though you feel like your neck and shoulder, that's all the way to actually the tendon, or all the way to the side of your body. So it's not just there. They actually radiating down your body. I'm going to show you with my clothes. Where are we talking about?
嗱，正常嚟講，我哋件衫係可以掹得起嘅。但係如果我件衫我係掹住我個衫腳，嗱，我掹到好實好實，我係完全拉都拉唔起我件衫㗎，膊頭嘅位置我係完全拉唔起嘅。
So you can see now, sometimes, if I do that, I can really, pick out and pull up my shirt. But if I pull it down on my, all the way to the waist, my shirt all the way straight, tighten, you can't even you cannot pick it up on your shoulder. Your clothes doesn't let you pick up.
所以如果你有肩頸痛嘅問題咧，我會建議大家你可以做咗第一個位置先，呢個係好重要嘅位置嚟嘅 ，OK？
So I suggest, if you have a neck and shoulder issue, this part I'm going to show you is very important, and you should just do it. The first you should do that way. This
咁
part.
咁當然啦，如果你個膊頭已經係好痛嘅時候，可能你隻手我遞都遞唔高啊，咁唔緊要，少少，或者我哋可以揾一張台或者一個櫃晾高隻手，令到佢啱啱好可以擺得落我哋部機嘅。
So you might say, oh, you know what? Jennifer, I feel so much pain on my shoulder. I can't even lift it up. So, use a table or some sort to have your hand lying on your table, and do it on that side.
OK，咁我哋部機係應該咁拎啊，定係還是咁拎咧？
So
因
how
為
you
係好大嘅分別嘅。
Yeah, so how you gonna hold your well spot, diagonally, or vertically? How you gonna hold it is also very important.
嗱，因為咧呢條筋咧，如果我哋打洞去拎咧，打洞去做，因為條筋係咁樣落嘅 ，OK？ 如果我哋打洞去掃佢落嚟咧，係冇咁痛嘅，不過解決問題咧就比較弱少少啦。
So if you're gonna use the well spot in this vertically up down your side here, might not be as efficient. It still help, but it might not be as efficient.
嗱，記住嗰個位置就係呢度打洞 ，OK？ 咁當然啦，你話哇，我打洞已經好痛啦，但係如果你可以忍到嘅話，打橫，我哋將部機打橫，扣住喺個旮旯底個位置 ，OK？ 掃落嚟，做到呢一個位就得㗎啦，啱啱近腰線嘅位置。
Okay, if you can, if I know sometimes I understand if you do it vertically, it might be very painful to do. But if you can do it this way, and just under your armpit area, and just swipe down until maybe the upper waistline, just like that, then you can actually, you're going to feel the difference.
OK， 咁咧，我哋呢個 activating gel 咧，佢係有消炎嘅功能嘅。OK， 咁我會建議將個 gel 擠喺個腳嗰度，咁大家咧就係可以善用呢兩隻腳仔打橫咁扣住落嚟。
So is it the inner two knobs? Like this area, like if you can see, can you see? Yeah, there. So if you put your activating gel on these two, like inner knob, oh, I might say, I guess you guys can get the picture. So just in the inside these two area, oh shoot, these two area, then you can swipe.
OK，咁咧其實嗰個力咧唔需要好大力㗎，不過你要扣到你胳底下面嗰條筋，好温柔地去拉佢落嚟。
Okay. So you don't have to use a lot of force. So as long as you touch it and you can feel your tendon is moving, is it gonna moving? Like you can touch it, you can feel it. You're touching the tendon. Then that's the way.
OK 嚇，如果你做大概如果你兩隻手啦，咁你每邊可以做2至3分鐘嚇，咁就 OK 㗎啦。
So if you have two sides, so you do maybe 2 minutes and then 3 minutes, like the 5 minute cycle, then should be
因為
enough.
因為我都明白咧，如果你個膊頭好痛嘅時候，你係冇可能連續做到5分鐘嘅。如果你做到2分鐘，但係我會建議，如果你嗰日係休息 day off 唔使翻工嘅話，你可以2至3個鐘頭做一次。你唔好睇少，只係做2分鐘，你會發覺1日之後你個膊頭痛會減輕好多嘅。
So Jennifer Lee was saying, even though so it's hard to do one side for 5 minutes when you are in pain. So 2 minutes on one side, maybe 3 minutes on the other side on the shoulder. And if you are day off, every 2-3 hours you do that repeatedly, you will feel the difference the next day. Like it will be much better. I don't want to say cure, but you'll feel totally relief.
同埋咧，同大家再分享多少少我哋嘅心得啦。因為個膊頭已經係好痛，個肩頸好痛啦，你仲用好大力去捉佢落去嘅時候，甚至你話啊，我自己做唔到，我叫屋企人幫我，你要同你嘅幫你做呢個 SPA 機嘅人佢講，唔需要大力，因為如果你好大力嘅話咧，你嘅肌肉、你嘅身體會有一個自動嘅反應咧，佢會同你鬥力啊，咁你就會放鬆唔到你條筋噶啦。
Okay, so when you are in pain, the trick is don't do it very hard. Don't put it really forcefully. Even though when you're asking your family member to help you to swipe, just fairly gentle because there is a body reaction is like when you are in pain and you use a very big force on it, it has the tendency to fight it. So don't do that. So just gentle, just touching the tendon and just swipe it 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and every 2-3 hours, that is enough.
好，咁通常如果發炎緊咧，都會另外出現一個問題，就係腫啦。咁我哋用完，我哋當呢一個 gel 索晒喺個皮膚度，跟住我哋就會落 serum。
So when you are in like so much pain, you also have inflammation and it might be swollen. So the activating gel that we put on, they probably absorb. So then the next step is we're going to use the serum.
好，咁有啲朋友會問啦，不如我將2個 gel mix 埋佢啦，其實係唔得嘅，因為會減低咗佢嘅消炎能力，因為兩個唔同嘅功能嚟嘅。
So somebody would ask me, hey, can I mix those serum and then the activating gel to do it? The answer is no. The answer is no. Do not mix the gel, the activating gel and the serum because they do different things. So the activating gel is actually to treat your inflammation. So use the activation alone first.
我舉一個好簡單嘅例子，當你要洗面嘅時候，我哋會用我哋有個LumiSpa 嘅洗面膏去洗面啦，係咪？咁洗完之後，我哋係咪用清水去洗翻乾淨啊？但係如果你將你嘅洗面膏撈落啲水度嚟洗面，你嗰塊面永遠都唔會乾淨嘅。
So I'll give you a very simple example. Like let's say let's do the Lumi Spa cleansing. So when we cleanse the face, we use Lumi Spa. We use the Lumi Spa to wash our face first. But if you use the Lumi Spa and mix it with water and you wash your face, you will find out your face do not wash as clean as it use the cleansing gel alone.
所以我相信呢一個例子，大家就會明白，唔會將佢擺埋一齊，係會用完一個再用一個。
So I hope that I can simplify and let you understand why we want to use both different in a different sequence. There's steps.
OK，好啦，咁當你譬如你話Jennifer，我做完我個腋下呢條筋啦，但係我都仲係好痛喎，可以點樣做咧？就係我哋嘅膊頭。
So somebody were asking, hey, even though after I did my underarm tendon, I still feel pain. So what should I do? So I'm going to tell you it's right now where I'm pointing.
嗱，咁大家咧亦都可以去依家同我一齊去試下揾唔揾到嗰一個位咯喎，就係膊頭，你會摸到我哋呢一個球窩關節有一個位係凹咗落去嘅。
So you guys can help find out, is it here? Where the shoulder, there is a ball, like a shoulder, that round shape shoulder.
And
where's
嗱，你要 OK， 咁咧就用呢部機嘅上面唔係打橫啦，而係打洞。OK， 打洞。咁我哋就攞部機，就喺頭先嗰個凹嗰個位。就擺落去。如果你有膊頭痛嘅話咧，你就會發覺唔使喐啊部機，淨係擺落去，你已經痛啦。
So when you see that we just put it on our shoulder where the dent, is it the dent? Dent area, you don't even have to move it. You will already feel the pain just by touching it.
咁部機咧，基本上你擺咗喺你個膊頭度，你係好輕力，你會搖到你個筋，因為關節同關節咧，佢中間係有個罅隙嘅，關節同關節之間，你就因為點解會膊頭痛咧？係因為你個關節鎖到好緊，所以你先喐唔到啫。
When you touching your shoulder, there is I think it's called a joint. So the joint, the between the both bones is really tight. That's why you feel the pain. So when you touch it, when you shake it, like really touching and shaking it, you can feel it.
好。咁當你部機擺喺你個膊頭嘅位置嘅時候，其實真係你唔需要好大力咁樣推落去，因為佢已經受咗傷，發緊炎。所以緊記，好輕力、好溫柔地去搖下佢，因為我亦都知道咧，有啲嚴重嘅肩周炎咧係需要做手術，醫生要用把刀去解翻開嗰個關節嘅位置，咁你個手先可以喐到嘅。咁如果我哋用部機可以解決到問題，咪唔使做手術咯。
So I have to say again, you know, when you have a frozen shoulder, you are in pain, you don't want to force it too hard. You can just shake it, just make sure you untighten it. So basically what happened is the joints are too tight. So some people, in the worst case, they have to go to surgery under the knife to make loose. But if we can avoid the surgery, go under the knife, but using this method to shake it and loosen that tightness, isn't that better than going to the surgery?
當然啦，如果真係好，你發覺用我哋嘅 Well Spa 都仍然係好痛、好唔舒服嘅，一定要見醫生。
Yeah, so of course, if you cannot relieve that pain, it's been consistent, persistent there, you should always consult the medical people, professionals.
OK， 好啦，咁跟住落嚟咧，就係到另外一個關節啦，就係頭先你喺相片見到我喺飛機點樣去做嗰個手嘅關節啦，嚇。咁咧
So another point I want to talk about is you can see on my flight, I was touching on my arm So now I'm going to show you how I'm going to loosen that arm or that muscles or tendon.
因為我哋咧攞行李嘅時候，其實我哋呢一個手踭嘅關節咧用嘅力都好犀利嘅。
So I don't know whether you guys when you pick up the luggage from the conveyor belt, that motion is quite something, eh?
好啦，咁我部機點樣擺法咧？Stella 見唔見到啊？我唔知呢個高度，OK 嗬？可唔可以啊？
It's right in the middle of your arm.
呢度
upper arm.
呢度
Is it the upper arm?
呢個曲呢度 OK 我哋將部機打橫。
Yeah, so sorry, you guys can look at Jennifer. Is it here?
係啦
The upper right, the upper arm, right? Yeah.
咁我哋落 gel 咧。
Is it this way, Jennifer?
嗱，呢個我一定要俾大家睇下，係咁樣攞個圈咁樣嘅。
You can see how much I put in on my gel, the gel on my arm.
見唔見到啊？我唔知見唔見，得唔得？
見到啊，見到。
OK 好啦，因為我見有啲人咧落 gel 落得好少嘅，咁就解決唔到問題嘅。OK， 咁我就推開佢。
Yeah, so just put a little bit more, a little bit generous on your gel, because the too little gel you can't really solve the problem. Okay?
咁你見到我做嘅位置咧，其實真係好溫柔，完全唔需要用力㗎。
Okay, you can see the demonstration. Jennifer was just really gentle to swipe it, like a circular motion. 但係
部機就一定要去打橫咯，唔係打戙咯。
So
打橫。
Okay, like this.
Okay.
You can see. Oops, sorry. Okay, anyway.
嗱，嗰個位置咧就由呢個關節呢個位去到個手嘅中間心。
So it's the lower arm. It's a lower arm. So from where the elbow folds and down to the hand. There you go. Let's see.
當你發覺咧，其實你冇諗住，我用好細力去做喎，但係其實咁細力咧，我哋係靠啲 gel 同埋電流去幫我哋做嘢，所以根本唔需要好大力外在去壓落去嘅。
So the beauty of the well spa is it's so powerful. You don't really have to push it, press it. It's just between the gel and the microcurrent from the spa will do the trick. So you don't have to, again, do not pressure too hard.
同埋咧，如果你隻手痛緊喺度嘅時候，你好慢去用部機，你就會感受到究竟邊一條筋最痛，咁你就淨係做嗰個位都 OK 嘅。
So when you are so slow and just gentle, you can actually feel which tendon is actually the problem, and you can just focus on that line.
好啦，咁你話，咦？我做完呢一度之後，我膊頭都仲係好緊喎。咁跟住落嚟，我就要同大家分享示範點樣去做我哋嘅手指啦。
So some people say to me, oh, after that, you know what, Jennifer Lee, I still feel shoulder is still there, still not good. So she's going to show us what else we can do. I'm going to use the hand to show you.
OK， 咁大家諗下，我哋每一日朝早起身到夜晚瞓覺嘅時候，其實我哋嘅手嘅關節係用得最多㗎。我哋嘅膊頭可能冇咁多，因為我哋嘅攞杯啦、刷牙啦、洗面全部都用我哋嘅手指嘅。
So when you think about it, like even though the whole day, the most workaholic actually is your hand, not so much on your shoulder.
好啦，咁我哋應該點樣去整我哋嘅手指咧？首先，我哋要知道點樣去善用我哋部機，就係呢兩隻腳仔啦。
The 2 point in the well spa. We can focus on the gel there.
其實我會建議大家咧就同我同步 一齊去試，咁你就會先會知道嗰個感覺係點樣攞到出嚟嘅。
So if you have a well spa, I do want to encourage you guys to just touch it and just do it together with me, and you can actually feel it.
OK，咁好啦，咁我哋落 gel 嘅時候係點樣落法咧？我就通常會落喺手指節上面嘅。
So I'm going to do a demo. So when I do the gel, I'm going to put it on my hand, on top of my hand here.
OK，好，咁跟住咧，其實應該咧，因為嗰個角度嘅問題，本來我隻手咧係應該要擺喺張台度去做嘅，咁你先可以食到力啊。其實我唔係要大力，我係要令到嗰個呢個位咧係可以好 smooth 咁樣去做到啊。
So normally when you do this, you will put your hand on the table. That will be much better result. But anyway, I'm not asking you know to force it, but it would be nice if you are doing it on the table. So you actually can put the hand on your table and then follow us.
OK，嗱呢度唔知大家見唔見到係咁樣側邊得唔得？唔知
So you guys
見唔
can
見到？
see, you know, it's like, you know, the well spa that has a gap. I'm going to put my thumb in between the gap. Is that right, Jennifer?
啱。
Like that and then
係
swipe.
啦，我每一隻手指咧嘅左右都要做嘅。
So every single finger, we're going to touch it. We're going to swipe it.
有一個朋友咧曾經會問我，佢話：咦，我明明膊頭痛嘅喎，點解你要我做手指嘅？咁樣，因為我咧係讀過解剖學嘅，因為讀醫嘅時候，咁原來我哋嘅手指嘅根咧係一路伸延去到我哋個膊頭嘅喎。
So someone will ask me, "Hey Jennifer, I sort of have problem. Why are you asking me to do my hand?" But let me tell you, I have research or I have done the anatomy dissection, so I do actually know the hand tendon actually all the way go up to your shoulder. That's why when you walk the hand, it's actually touching your shoulder. That's why you want to try it.
嗱，如果你有肩頸痛嘅時候咧，你做每一隻唔同嘅手指嘅時候，可能你會有少少背痛，你又要知道係邊一條筋。
So when you do each finger, some of the finger maybe you will feel a little numb, then you know that tendon is working.
咁當然啦，我除咗手背之外咧，手心我亦都會做嘅。
So not only the back of your hand you do, you also gonna do the palm.
咁咧，你可以慢慢去做嘅時候，你就會發覺，我就會，因為我想你哋好慢咁去做嘅時候，你先至去揾到究竟我邊一條筋出現咗問題。例如，如果我做落去我嘅手指公嘅時候，
So I want you guys to really have feeling slowly to feel each tendon.
因為如果咧我個手指我要起身，如果咧我嘅手指公呢個位痛，條筋咧係一路咁伸延過嚟呢度嘅，咁我可以如果揾到我知道係呢條筋痛啦，咁我就可以做多少少呢一個位置，因為條筋係呢度伸延上嚟噶嘛。但係如果我手指尾痛咧，我就係做呢一個位啦。
So you guys can see. So as Jennifer saying, which tendon it has the rating, like they are all connected. So if you're more to the pinky, then you can actually do up on your arm in that area. And if it's the thumb, you know that you can go up to the front, different area, it's connected. So you just want to pay attention which one is more painful.
OK，
And go up.
甚至咧， 早幾個月嘅時候，香港天氣好凍啊，咁我啲朋友話我有肩頸痛，但係天氣好凍，我又唔想做我個身體喎，咁我話你淨係做你嘅手指，不過
So a few
就要
months
做十
ago, your
分
Hong
鐘。
Kong was very cold. So people are telling me, you know what, I don't feel like doing my body part. So I told them, you know what, you can actually do your hand like this.
咁我發覺咧，佢哋發覺，當我做完我嘅手背5分鐘，手心5分鐘嘅時候，佢同我講，佢話我覺得成個膊頭輕鬆晒。
So they actually told me after I told them to do the front, the back of the hand, they actually feel the release on the shoulder.
所以我會建議大家，就算係幾冇時間都好，都多啲去用我哋嘅 Well Spa 幫我哋嘅手去做 SPA。你鬆咗之後，你會發覺，誒，真係有效喎，同埋咧，你會另外一個 bonus 咧，就係啲手嘅皮膚緊緻咗啊！
So while you're doing this on your hand, you're really treating your shoulder, and you will find another secondary benefits. Your hand is going to look younger.
其實我自己咧，我就冇呢啲膊頭唔舒服嘅問題，咁我就比較少用呢個 gel 嘅，我用得最多咧就係呢個。大家記唔記得 serum 咧係攞嚟減肥、去水腫嘅，OK，同埋個保濕功能係非常之高。咁所
So
以咧，
because I don't really have a problem with my shoulder, so I don't really use the activating gel. However, I use the serum. You guys know the serum can help you to lose weight and to moisture. So that is I use the serum more.
我同埋咧，我一個心得同大家分享咧，就係我冬天咧我都唔使用 hand lotion 嘅。我冇用潤手霜，但係我啲朋友就話：誒，點解你唔用潤手霜？你手都唔乾嘅。其實我一個禮拜用1-2次咯，呢個 serum 整喺我手度
Let me tell you guys, even in Hong Kong, winter time, people are putting a lot of hand lotion. I don't have to use lotion because I use the serum for my hand to treat my hand. So, and then I don't need to use hand lotion. That
同
is my
埋我覺得做手咧係非常之方便啊！我其實如果有時我真係好趕時間出門口，冇時間做咧，我就會帶埋部機，帶埋個 serum，或者個 serum 咧，我會擠喺個細樽度。咁跟住咧，我搭緊 subway 嘅時候就可以做啦。
So, sometimes the time is such a, busy time. So what I would do, I would just take my well spa and my serum. I even put the serum in a little bottle, and then I'll bring it to Subway, and then I'll do it on the car or traffic on the bus, whatever.
嗱，我建議大家有邊啲位置要提一提大家咧。嗱，呢一度係一個關節嚟嘅，OK？你可以部機放喺度嘅時候，唔使大力噶，輕輕力鬆一鬆你個關節。
So again, this is the point that I tell you. This is another is that acupuncture point that you can also loosen your tendon, loosen the tightness. You don't
好，
have to use force.
跟住呢個關節，手嘅關節呢度，跟住呢度，
The pinky finger?
呢度，即係呢啲手指嘅關節，呢啲
All this are point.
即係你唔係話淨係咁啊，是但捽啦，唔係嘅。我係呢啲特別嘅關節咧，我會放耐少少嘅。
So when there's a point that, I feel like it's more important, I will take a little time, not just do it, but, pay a little attention on different area, the point, the joint.
我想同大家分享一個有趣嘅事咧，就係我以前我小朋友嘅時候咧，我個手啊，一到冬天咧就會好腫， 腫到完全咧啲關節係睇唔到嘅嚇。
I'll tell you, when I was young, all my joints are very swollen in winter. You can't even see it. It's just so swollen, my hand.
如果大家見過心臟科醫生嘅時候咧，佢通常會同你講手同埋腳，如果你出現腫嘅情況咧，係反映你嘅心臟循環唔好嘅。
So that is actually telling us that if the heart doctor will say, because if your hands are swollen and your legs are swollen, that is reflecting your heart is not working properly.
所以今日如果大家見到，咦，我手好腫喎，你唔好諗住，佢10幾歲咁後生，唔會嘅，唔知道噶，
So if you see your hands are swollen, you think, oh, maybe, she's young, she's about 10, 15, 10 years old, but it's not, it's like something you have to pay attention.
今日我示範嘅做 Wells Spa 嘅位置，大家可能覺得，咦，車好簡單啫嘛，但係你唔好睇少，如果你每日堅持做5分鐘，個效果就會出嚟啦。
So don't look down, just maybe just a very simple, the hand, 5 minutes each day, but you will see the difference. You will feel it.
嗱，我另外一個咧心得又同大家分享咧，就係嗱，我哋個 Wells Spa 有5粒燈噶嘛，咁如果你話喂 Jennifer， 我真係頭先你講我5分鐘我就要出門口噶咯喎，我做呢個 Wells Spa， 佢每斬一個燈你就換一個位置，即係頭先我講嘅腳底下面嗰條筋啦、膊頭啦、手踭啦、手啦，呢度 total 幾個地方，你每個位置做1分鐘。
So as I say, the Wells Spa come with the 5 minutes. So just each minute, you can just do one area. We have touch on the underarm, that's one. And then we have touch on the shoulder. And then we have touch on the lower arm. And then we have touch on different. So 1 minute per one little area.
你唔好睇少，只係5分鐘時間，你會發覺我堅持做1個星期，如果可以嘅話，貪心少少，朝頭早5分鐘，夜晚5分鐘，個效果一定3日都出到嚟啦。
So I'm telling you, don't look down on just like 5 minutes per day. So you will see the difference. But if you wanted to see faster result, do 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes in the evening, in 3 days time, you can see, you can feel.
好，今日咧我個示範咧就係嚟到呢一度咁如果大家有啲乜嘢嘅問題咧，都可以喺個 chat room 嗰度去問嘅。
So my demonstration is up to here. Thank you. If anyone has question, you can put it in the chat, or if you want to open your mic and you can ask Jennifer, that will be also good.
多謝晒你Stella。
Thank you, Jennifer. So anyone have a question for Jennifer, you can put it on the chat. I don't see anything. And if that's the case,
yeah.
Did I hear someone talking?
May I ask a question to Jennifer? I don't know how to write it in English, but I can describe it. If
Yes.
someone has problems with the shoulder and the orthopedic doctor says it's an impingement, are there any exercises we can do with the Wells Spa to get better results and that the pain is less hurting?
So you're saying the shoulder pain? Didn't quite hear.
Yeah. I'm opening my camera. I hope you can see me because it's middle in the night over here.
Yes.
So I hope you can you see? No,
Not yet.
my camera is not working.
Is it well drawn? Yeah, I can see you now.
Yeah, wild shot.
Yeah. Hello. So
when you have the shoulder pain here inside.
Inside, like in the.
Yeah, in the. Let me take it like that way. Do you see now my shoulder? The doctor said when you have impingement here, is there any part we can do with the well spa to get better results in correlation with the fingers and hand?
Can you see Jennifer where she touching? Is it
我睇到，
inside? Is it
我
inside?
睇到個位置，但係我睇到佢講嗰個位置，但係我唔好明佢講乜嘢。唔好
So
意
she
思，
said, is there anything you can do with the well spa?
你講咗頭先嗰個呢個女士個膊頭嘅問題俾我聽先，佢係咩問題啊？
I cannot see her. She pointed the area. I assume it's like right in the inner area of your shoulder.
Yes.
Is it? So there's a
In the
pain
inner area, yes.
in the inner area. So that is what we were talking about. You can use your hand to try to use the hand because they all related all the way up and to try that way, right, Jennifer?
Okay.
So it's an inner shoulder. That is exactly like the frozen shoulder area. So you can use that.
佢
Try
個
the
鏡，佢
arm.
個鏡頭，佢個鏡頭遮住咗，所以我睇得唔清楚。
I think she can see I am pointing my shoulder.
Yeah.
Like the
I see it.
inner
Thank you.
right here, right?
Yeah.
The inner shoulder, she's saying, I think.
因
You
為
know, we have outer, we have inner.
啊
Outer, inner.
阿 Stella， 我諗咧佢無論係嗰個即係呢一個我諗呢一紮嘅位置，你而家見唔見到我嘅示範啊？見唔見到啊？或者高少少呢度？
Yeah. So
嚇
underarm? Is it where the underarm here?
No,
Oh,
it's
sorry.
in the inner side, only in the shoulder.
佢
The
可唔可
pain
以
is
開
going
翻開嗰個？因為佢個紫色畫面遮住晒，所以同埋嗰個我睇得唔好清。你叫佢可唔可以拎走個紫色畫面？咁我會睇得清楚啲。
Can you take away your purple screen? It just hardly can see you where your shoulder.
Yeah, let me take it in another way. I will go and make my light on my phone because I have not only the computer on. So you see now my shoulder inside and on the right shoulder, and it's inside. The pain is here. The doctor said the impingement is
What is
going
that
from the
impingement? What is that? I didn't understand what is impingement.
the orthopedic doctor said that to me. I don't know what it means. It's a medical terminus that people or the doctors uses when you have problems with the shoulder and there is something with the I don't know if it's with the muscle or it's with the nerve or it's with the bones, but it's painful. It's not always here, but it comes from, let me show it better. The pain when this is the shoulder, it's here inside. And it goes
See, Jennifer?
versus the breeze down to the base.
我諗
And if there is something I can do with the well spa
因為咧
and use it on the hand.
因為咧，如果係呢一組嘅位置好多時佢膊頭痛咧，係因為呢一度扯佢落嚟啊，扯佢落嚟啊。
So do you feel like when your arms pain is like tighten, really tight under here? Is it really tight?
No,
so
it's
you-
only over here. It's only over here. It's not under there. It's
Oh,
only
okay.
here.
No, it's not. Jennifer, no, not under that. It's not tight there. Don't feel pain there. It's just wherever she's put, I can't see it.
佢不如咁啦，因為頭先咧我示範架底下面嗰條筋咧，其實佢係影響我哋個手嘅膊頭同埋頸好多嘅神經線嘅。咁我會
So
建
maybe
議
Waldra, maybe we were doing that under the arm because all this is related to the shoulder. You should try our method that we talked about earlier and see whether that helps.
所以我會
I
建
see
議佢最好咧就係用我哋要落多啲呢一個 activating gel
So use a little
去
bit
做
more
我哋家底下面嗰條筋。我相信嗰個 gel 一定會吸收得好快，因為佢發緊炎。
So she's
Yeah,
saying
I
maybe your area is maybe inflamed, so use a little bit more activating gel and do under where the underarm here, little bit.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
then she's saying also the gel probably going to be absorbed very fast because you're probably having an inflammation right now.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so try
I
it.
do have the activating gel. It's
Try
okay.
it.
I do have it. Thank you.
，OK，
Thank you.
好，下一個問題係啲咩咧？
Someone was saying,
因為我都
oh,
要
sorry, my screen cannot advance. Something about in my finger, I didn't get that. I cannot go.
I
Hi,
just
I'm
wondering
Eileen.
about arthritis in a finger when a finger is swollen. Is it helps with, I'm sure the wellness spa helps with that.
So Jennifer, Martha here was asking
你
finger.
講廣東話
Oh, sorry. 佢話 sorry. So Martha 講緊佢個手指啊，嗰個
係
Well Spa 可唔可以用下？好似 swollen 咁樣，可唔可以用嗰個 Well Spa 嘅咧？佢而家個手指 ，you can see her pointing the finger
咩叫 swollen？
啊，腫咗啊，
腫咗，有冇
係
紅到啊？有冇紅啊？
Is there redness on your finger? Is it red?
No,
Any
it's not red. It's just swollen with arthritis, I think.
佢有嗰啲關節炎啊，即係腫咗啲關節炎啊。
OK，
嗯
嗱，如果佢裡面已經發緊炎嘅時候，呢個 Well Spa 係一定幫到佢嘅。
So yes, the Well Spa can definitely help you. Help
都
腫嗰度
佢發緊炎，
腫嗰度
更加要用多啲呢個。
Okay, again, try with the activating gel.
Okay, great.
Activating gel on the spa, on where
同埋咧，做呢個機嘅時候之餘咧，佢可以攞個罌仔，因為佢 keep 住仲痛啊嘛。咁你可以攞個罌仔擠啲出街，你直情係一得閒就搽，一得閒就搽喺你個痛嘅手指嗰度。
搽啊，唔使做啊。
唔係你唔係 keep 住咁樣拎住部機一路行街一路噶嘛。咁佢乾咗嘅時候，你就可以擠啲又擺落去嗰個痛嘅位置，因為佢係幫佢消炎啊。即係你喺屋企嘅時候，你可以早晚，甚至你多啲時間，你可以早午晚用 Well Spa。但係嗰啲膠索晒之後，你出街你可以搽啲落去咁佢去更加快去處理呢個問題嘅。
So I learned something tonight myself too. So Jennifer was saying, after you do this on your finger, you can do as many times as you want, like morning up, evening, lunch, whatever. But after that, she suggested when you go out, you actually can squeeze it in a little bottle, and whenever it's dry, you apply it because it's actually helped the inflammation. You don't have to use it outside, but put the gel.
All right, I will do that. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jennifer.
同埋仲有一樣嘢，溫馨要提示佢嘅，逢係身體唔同嘅位置發緊炎，令到你痛咧，一定就頭先講咗啦，你要抽絲剝繭，要諗下究竟我生活上邊一個習慣係唔啱，而令到我出現咗呢啲情況。譬如會唔會我成日呢段時間我成日玩手機嘅時間太長，而令到我手指關節唔舒服，又或者我用唔正確嘅姿勢去拎嘢而整親咗我嘅手指。
So Jennifer make a very, very, very point saying that, yeah, we can treat, but we should also pay attention. Why do we have the problem? Maybe the way we using, maybe for some reason, some people, maybe the phone, how we holding it. Are we doing it too much time like this? What are we doing? Maybe we can change a little of the lifestyle habit, the way you sit, the way you holding. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, I've been a massage therapist for 50 years. So I think I'm going to do less massage and no deep tissue. So that's my answer for
Jennifer,
that.
佢係一個 massage therapist，佢做幫人按摩㗎，做咗好多10年㗎啦。So that is why. So now she's gonna 佢而家就會慢慢隱退啦，唔好做咁多。
咁我會建議， 如果佢而家仲係做緊呢一份工作嘅話咧，每一次做完工作之後，或者如果你譬如 job 同 job 之間有時間嘅，頭先講咗，就算做2分鐘都好嘅。你可以，因為你用嘅手指嘅力係好多啊，咁你可以淨係做你嘅手咯，係做2分鐘都 OK 噶嚇，就唔好等夜晚翻到屋企先做。
So Jennifer was saying, so maybe in between your clients, you can do that 2 minutes on your hand. And then
Okay.
maybe, yeah, in between, don't wait until the 8 hours gone and then you go home and then do it. So just in between, start the little thing, changing the habit. That got
Very
probably gonna
good.
help.
Excellent. Excellent. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
下一個問題係
請問有冇邊個位用 Wellspar 可以改善氣血面色㗎？ So Grace was asking, is there any Wellspar we can use to change like the color of our like more plum, more not so white, I guess 面色啊，like
嗱，
is there any way we
我
can
如果係從中醫角度咧，我哋嘅面色唔好咧，就同我哋嘅消化系統有關嘅。咁
So from the point of view, like from the Chinese traditional Chinese medicine, if you were talking about the face like more pale, that would have something to do with your digestion, 係咪？消化系統係咪？ You say digestion, so that make your face a little more pale.
嗱，我唔知大家睇得清唔清楚咧，我嘅嘴唇嘅顏色，其實嘴唇咧就係喺中醫角度係反映你嘅消化系統好唔好，你氣血好唔好嘅。
So you can see, I'm not sure whether you can see my lip from the Chinese traditional Chinese medicine. That lip color also reflect the digestion.
我就冇搽任何唇膏嘅顏色，呢個就係真正嘅顏色嚟嘅。OK，
So you can see this is my real lip color. I don't use any lipstick. That's really good. Very beautiful.
OK，
color very good.
嗱，你點樣去改善你個面色咧？第一，首先你要重新執過晒你嘅飲食習慣同埋生活習慣。
So if you are talking about the color on your face, so you need to, from the root cause, go back to see how your eating habit. 因
為我試過去做一啲講座咧，有啲人佢會同我講，我要減肥，所以我唔食早餐嘅。但係早餐對我哋中國人嚟講，喺中醫角度嚟講，早餐係非常非常之重要嘅。
So sometimes when I go to the seminar, some people would tell me, you know what, I'm trying to lose weight, so I don't eat breakfast. So from the Chinese doctor, from the traditional Chinese medicine point of view is breakfast is very important. You cannot miss your breakfast.
OK， 嗱，咁早餐你諗下，我夜晚幾點鐘瞓覺？嗱，呢個就同生活習慣有關啦。如果我已經食啱New Skin 嘅維他命，我又做 SPA 機，我聽 Jennifer 講做啲位我都啱晒啦。但係我夜晚即係我正常 office hour 去做嘢啦，但係我夜晚可能凌晨2點、3點甚至4點鐘我先至瞓覺，跟住朝頭早好倉促咁樣，我只係瞓2-3個鐘頭，跟住我就起身。咁你諗下？咁點解我個面色會咁差咧？因為冇足夠嘅睡眠時間咯。
So now we have to go back to how the lifestyle is. So like you done everything, you do the spa and then you eat the supplement, but how come you still look pale? So we're thinking about maybe, you work all day, you go home and then you don't sleep until 2, 3, and then you get up maybe 7 or 8, and then you only have very little time to sleep. And of course, you don't look good.
同埋咧，你要相信你嘅身體，身體係好誠實嘅。嗱，我自己咧，夜晚大概10點零11點鐘啦，我就會好眼瞓噶啦。有啲朋友同我講，我身體唔識眼瞓嘅，咁即是話你嘅身體嗰個機能已經出現咗問題啦。
So you know what? You have to trust your body. So for me, for Jennifer, after 10, 11 o'clock, my body already telling I'm tired. So some people say, no, my body don't tell me tired. So then you can see there is already some signal,
一個
warning sign.
今日咧，我想同大家講一個好殘酷嘅現實，就係一個健康嘅身體係會喺適當嘅時間識得眼瞓、識得肚餓、識得攰嘅。
So I have to tell you the truth. So if a healthy body really can tell you when you are tired, really can tell you that you are hungry, will tell you a lot of things, a healthy body.
所以今日我希望大家重新去執過晒，你攞張白紙寫翻低，我幾點鐘瞓覺，我幾點鐘食嘢。你可能要話我唔做運動，我唔中意做運動，我好懶做運動唔緊要。但係如果你執得好你嘅生活習慣同埋飲食習慣，然後再配合我哋嘅公司咁好嘅 SPA 機同埋營養產品，我相信你嘅生活一定會好開心。
So again, you have to go back to the source. So it's the lifestyle choices. If you are eating good, if you are sleeping well, even though you're not the one that like to exercise, but if you are looking after your basic foundation of your body needs, eating good, sleeping, then you will be a healthy body,
OK，
healthy person.
咁另外咧，呢一個 serum 咧，你可以做你嘅肚，唔係為咗減肥喎。OK 嚇，咁
So
咧
you can use the serum actually to do your abdomen, your ab. It's not for losing weight though.
嗱呢度阿 Stella 見唔見到嗰個位
Under
啊
your diaphragm, under your rib cage, your diaphragm.
？OK 嚇，咁我哋係順時針方向。
So go the clockwise. Go
嚇
clockwise. Is that for your digestive? 係咪幫你嘅
消
消化
化系統
系統啊？
係
So you can use the well spa for your digestive system. It's not just for losing weight, everybody. We're talking about digestive. That's to move your guts, maybe. Is it right, Jennifer?
因為咧，我同大家分享咧，如果你嘅腸胃唔好，頭先就講咗啦，腸胃消化系統唔好咧，你嘅面色咧就會差。
So again, refer to that question. How come can I get my more color in my face? It's because of your digestive system, your
有
guts.
啲朋友咧，佢攞個 well spa 去做個肚嘅時候，佢就會不停咁腳啲氣出嚟啊！
So some people I know when they do the abdomen, the well spa, they will burp. They have a lot of gas.
咁呢啲氣咧就會壓住，令到你嘅消化系統唔好啦。
Because of those gas in the gut will make your gut digestive system not good.
所以大家又可以測試一下，咦？我用個 well spa 做我肚嘅時候，會唔會放屁或者腳啲氣出嚟咧？
So you guys can try with the well spa with the serum, go clockwise and see whether you will passing gas or you will burp up some gas.
咁所以都要靠大家去實踐先知道嘅。
So you guys can try it and see whether it helps your digestive and your color of your face go back to like red.
OK， 咁仲有冇其他問題咧？
So thank you,
Jennifer,
Grace Lee. Thank you.
Stella, Jennifer, I have a question. 我有兩個朋友，佢哋嘅皮膚下邊咧有啲一粒一粒嘅肥肥嘅脂肪，好似係一粒一粒嘅肥肉啊。咁 Well Spa 可唔可以幫佢？
喺邊度啊？
Two of my friends have
皮
some
膚好似係佢嘅手啦，或者係手the skin under the skin of the arm you have fat deposits, so it becomes one lump. Can Well Spa help them with this?
So Jennifer 佢就問佢個朋友有啲唔知係咪皮下低有啲脂肪粒啊？脂肪粒佢係一粒粒，我就唔係知，我唔知呢啲係咩啦。Well Spa 可唔可以幫到咧？So Well Spa can treat those little lump fat deposits, you call it?
Yes, just
Now,
under
so-
the skin. They, yeah.
Under the skin.
They're
So
Where
harmless,
is it? On the
but they're
face or
ugly.
on the arm? On the face
On
or
the
on the
arm.
arm? On the arm.
On the arm.
OK
喺個手。
首先我會建議咧，你去問一問你個朋友，佢嗰啲一粒粒，因為有機會可能係啲淋巴結嚟嘅，但係如果撳落去痛咧嘅話咧，我就建議佢要去見咗醫生先。如果唔痛嘅，純粹係一粒粒嘅啫，咁你就可以用我哋嘅 activating gel， 跟住再加埋 serum。你可以每一日去試下做幾分鐘，睇下佢可唔可以消失到。如果佢係淋巴結嘅話 ，OK？
所以淋巴結係咩啊？
因為
我哋就OK。
因為我哋身體咧係有好多淋巴嘅嘅分佈嘅，咁因為佢哋嘅可能情緒啦、生活習慣啦頭先講漏咗，就係情緒都會令到我哋嘅面色唔好嘅，即係有啲人會講我好乖食嘢㗎咯喎，我好乖，我嘅生活習慣、飲食習慣都好乖，瞓覺準時瞓嗰樣嘢，但係可能佢嘅壓力我要考試我準備要升職，要去搏殺壓力都會令到個消化系統唔好，從而個面色差嘅
Of course, we cannot forget about pressure. We are always under pressure. So all those pressure also affect your digestive system and make your face pale and then just not absorbing anything. So referring back to Eileen, the question that your friend probably, if it's not pain, if it's pain, then you should see the doctor. But if it's not pain, then you can try using the activating gel and the serum with the WellSpa and just swipe it a few minutes a day and see whether that change anything. This probably is just
they've seen the doctor. Doctor says it's harmless. Just doesn't look good. Yeah.
Or just the beauty wise.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's lumpy. They don't like it. Yeah.
Okay. So ask them to try it.
因為我哋身體咧嘅細胞更新需要90日嘅，咁所以變咗，如果佢真係堅持，喂，我不如試，唔係話我1個禮拜做一次，我係每一日都要做，就算做5分鐘 ，OK？ 你要堅持咁樣做，你話係咪真係要做90日先至得？唔使1個禮拜，你會見到細粒咗嘅，甚至係少咗啲粒數嘅。
So Eileen, you can understand. So those, if your friend can just consistently and persistently doing it, then because we have a cycle of 90 days. So, but if they consistently doing every day 2-3 minutes, I'm sure you will see the result if that's the case.
OK， 仲有冇其他？多謝。仲有冇其他問題咧？
I think that's it. Yep. Okay, thank you, everybody. Thank you for coming and thank you. Everybody, can you just send some love and some heart to Jennifer all the way from Hong Kong and with all her expertise with the traditional Chinese medicine. I just love to hear her sharing and all this little testimony, real life, and get to the source, not just because on top, everything you should look under is how your body, how you're reacting, lifestyle, food choices, sleeping, all of the good, none of the bad. Thank you so much.
我今日好多謝阿 Stella 幫我去做分享，做翻譯好多謝大家今日嘅參與。
Thank you so much, everyone. We'll see each other tomorrow. We have one more part tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Jennifer.
多謝晒，
Thank you, Jennifer. Thank you, Stella. 多謝，拜拜。
OK， 拜拜。
Thank you, Jennifer. Thank you.
Thank you, Jennifer. Thank you, Stella.